So I'm going to go ahead and make these both into 8s. And the way I do that is I'm going to bring my 5s over here and here. I'm going to make this into an 8 as it already is. It's 7/8. Then I need to make this into 8ths as well. And so that will get me 4 times 2 gets me 8. Therefore, 3 times 2 will get me 6. I'm going to go ahead and add now. So when I add this, I'm going to get 6 plus 7 is 13. So I have 13/8. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm not done yet because I have an improper fraction as part of my mixed number. So I look at 13/8. 13/8 is the same thing as, well, how many times does 8 go into 13? Well, it goes in one whole time, and then I have how much left over? Well, 13 minus 8 is 5, so I have 1 and 5/8 left over. I'm going to add that to my 10, and my final answer then becomes 11 and 5/8. Okay, so that would be about as complicated of a addition of mixed number problem as you can come across. Okay, so for our final problem, let's try one more subtraction problem, but maybe in this case we can do one with terms that are unlike denominators. So let's go ahead and do number 8, and we will do 12 and 1/3, 12 and 1/3 minus 6 and 4/5. And we'll go ahead and we'll begin this process. So with doing this problem here, I don't have common denominators, so I'm going to have to find a common denominator. So I'm going to bring my 12 over, bring my 6 over. I know it's subtraction. And for our common denominator, let's go ahead and, well, 5 and 3, their first common multiple would be 15. So I'll make these both 15. And since 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 3 is 12. We want the fractions to be equivalent to each other. And then we have 3 times 5 is 15. Therefore, 1 times 5 is 5. Now I can begin my subtraction problem. Well, when doing this problem, I cannot take 12 away from 5, so I'm going to have to borrow here. I'm going to make this into an 11. Remember, when I borrow 1, it's like borrowing a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are the exact same numbers. So I'm going to be borrowing basically 15/15. So you might as well use a denominator that matches up with the problems. If I add that to 5/15, I get 20/15. Or I can just say the denominator plus the numerator is 20. Therefore, this becomes 20. So 20 minus 12 becomes 8/15. And 11 minus 6 is 5. So our final answer here is 5 and 8/15. There is our lesson on adding and subtracting fractions. I hope you found it helpful. Have a fantastic day and best of luck with your math adventures. Thank you.